Hey guys, what's up? My girl Patriana here with Pet 60 Second Review, and today I would like to review Cleanomic. So guys, Cleanomic is an friendly brand, so they try to reduce waste with our packaging and our household products. So today I will be reviewing their laundry line, so it's their way of showing that there's an affordable, sustainable laundry alternative ways that aim to reduce waste and be earth friendly. Alright, let's check them out. Alright guys, just finished doing my laundry, test them on my towels. Wow, color's pretty good. And then this is like for my makeup wipes. Wow, it's pretty clean. Usually I have the mascara stain and all that. Alright guys, so one of my goals in life is to try to be more green and just to live a more sustainable lifestyle. So by using all this like more earth-friendly products, especially for my household, one small step that hopefully can inspire others to do the same so that our future generation have a place to live in. So yeah guys, if you use the code Patriana_Sonia_LEK, you can get 15% off. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!